Just look at all these videos. These all videos is generated by an AI tool, which I'm gonna tell you in this video, and that is to absolutely for free. The free text to video editor in this current era, like it's tough to find the editor like these days, but I have found one for you, and I'm damn sure that this will help you up in most easier way. So basically, this is the AI tool about which I was talking, and you will get the link in the description. So basically, as you can see, after clicking on that link, this will be the interface in front of you, and you get plenty of tools here, right? Like you can generate your portraits, you can even generate the tattoo arts, and also the best environmental images, all the reels you see on Instagram, and even the wallpaper too, in just few clicks, and that too in unlimited manner. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, let's start with text to image first. So you get plenty of options here, like illustration generator, relaxing image generator, miniature world, like each and everything, right? You can also generate your AI profile picture by just uploading your pic. Even the tattoos, AI ID photo maker, like this is literally the gold mine for people like you and as well as me. And let's try the most important tool. Like this is all the combination of all those many tools, you can say. So I am using this. So this is the text to image generator, and this is the universal one, like it consists of each and everything. So let's try this. So first we'll go on chat gpt, and we'll simplify our idea here, and we'll tell that to chat gpt so that it can align that prompt according to the that AI tool, right? So you will get this prompt in the description, and it's simple. So you can just copy it. So this is that actual prompt, and you have to just simply insert your idea here. Okay. Now let me insert my idea here. Like I'll create any of the pig. Okay. It's just a wild guess and imagination. And let's try for this. Like a lion is sitting in a royal mansion, we can try, or anything you wanna, and you can try it for free. So just you have to inform it to ChatGPT once, and as you can see, I'm done with it. I have got a detailed and awesome prompt according to my imagination. Now let's turn these into the reality, okay? And yes, you have to go here and you have to paste it. And after pasting, you can change your aspect ratio from here. So I'll keep it 16 raised to 9. And as you can see, unlimited and free. Okay, you can generate unlimited images with the help of these model, right? And this is absolutely the great thing. Now as you can see, it has took literally like less than a half minute, and the image has been generated. Now let's try for another image, and I'll just ask ChatGPT to create another animal just like it, and let's see if it generates or not. Well, the image is totally 4K with absolute clarity and each and everything. Like even though Leonardo AI doesn't offer you unlimited generations, right? But I also have shared the trick of it. But here you can see this offers, right? And yes, here we go. Like another image and with another same consistency, you can see, and it's awesomely perfect. Like each and everything is on the point here. Now what we'll do is we'll again generate one more, okay, and this time we'll make it kind of crazy one, like we are generating lion in the suit. So let's see how it will generate. And then we are again here, and let me paste it. And this will be awesome, I guess, because like I want to see the lion in suit, and it looks like crazily insane. And let's see what it generates here. Like till now this tool is absolutely free, and you can also read that headline there, enjoy unlimited access to our free tools. So even though that AI tool is informing you to use them, so you shall use them, because this is literally an gold mine for us. Okay, you get plenty of tools, like few tools I'll tell you further too, but let's wait and see what kind of image does this generates. This is gonna look like I guess this is looking like a Mercedes ad, isn't it? Like this is perfect one. And okay, now we are all done with image generator, and you can see you also get image to image generator here. Like you can generate various images by referring your first images. And now it's time for the best thing, text to video, right? I'll show you live demo like how you can do it. So what we'll do is we'll go to ChatGPT, and we'll tell him to generate animation prompts, right, to feed this AI tool. So let's start with this image. So finally I have got the prompt. Now the best thing about this tool is it gives you what it does is it after uploading the image, it analyzes the image and then it creates the video prompt by analyzing that image. Okay, even though you don't have to give that video prompt, but the reason why I'm giving here is it's not that much accurate, right? Like it's just slowly zooms in and out, so that doesn't make sense at all. So that's why prefer chat gpt for inserting the animation video prompt to make your video more awesome. So let me show you this. Like, see, this prompt was generated by this AI tool itself. Okay, so let me show you the animation of it, like how does it generates. So the video is processing, and max to max, I guess it also can take up to a minute, or max to max 2 to 3 minutes, like not even more than that. And yes, see, so this is the basic video generation, right? Like we have used the prompt given by this AI tool only, but if you go with the chat gpt, you will get perfect video tailored to your prompt. Now let me try for this too. Okay, and I am also using this prompt only, generated by AI tool. Let's see. Or I think that they have only added the zoom in option in this video prompts optional tag. Well, that doesn't matter. Well, the quality of the video is less because I guess as they are offering unlimited generation, so that's why they have compromised in the quality. But that doesn't matter at all. Still, it's way more perfect because in the free subscription we are getting this, so it's more than worth it, right? And even though you're getting the unlimited video as well as image generation, so that's really worth it. So you shall definitely go for this tool, which will make your workflow even more easier. And as you can see, the video is processing, and let's see how does it goes. So it's processing. So let's see how our final video will be. Like, I think that it will only zoom in because we have used the basic video prompt generated by this AI tool, and as I told you, but still it is looking way more realistic, right? So that doesn't matter at all. So let me try for this image to one more time, and now what I'll do is I'll again go with that same, I guess. Okay, now let's see. But the images generated by this tool are literally like ultra realistic. Like you can even turn your imagination into reality in just few seconds, isn't it? And that too with the help of ChatGPT, it makes insanely awesome for this. And yes, the file is uploading successfully, and then I guess the video will be generated in just few minutes. Well, just in this way, I'll try to create even more images and then I'll convert it into video and I'll show you up in the same way. So as you can see, this video also has been generated and it's also awesome. So in the same way, I have created like more two images with the help of text to image. And now I am turning it into an video, and this time I have changed the prompt. Okay, I have inserted the prompt generated with the help of chat gpt. So let's see how does the video is. And as you can see, this video is kind of perfect with the accurate lip sync because the video prompt which I have inserted, it's taken from the chat gpt, right? So that's why, as I said, prefer chat gpt prompts because the prompts are ultra awesome and are up to point as compared to the prompt generated by this AI tool. Well, that doesn't matter at all. So let me download this video too, and I'll try for one more video. So let me insert another image here, which was of this frog, and let's animate this too. So I'll just copy the prompt here. First, let this image process, and I'm also damn sure that this image will be also tuned in into an perfect video which I want. Yes, just look at this video, right? Like we have generated it for free, and that's awesome. Stay tuned for crazy videos like this. We'll meet in the next video.